most of us, especially in Asian countries, perform basic refraction, prescribe glasses, and contact lenses. Most of the times, we prescribe contact lenses only when asked by the patient and end up prescribing soft single vision or at the most toric lenses. I'm sure you all agree with me. So what do we do in our practice? We do, we receive the patients. Okay, if you have your own practice, yes, you receive the patient. Okay, he wants to buy a pair of glasses. Okay, please come. We will do an eye exam. You do your, put him in front of the AR. You do your retinoscopy. You do your refraction, and if you are privileged enough to have other instruments, basic instruments like slit lamp, we perform some slit lamp examination and end up giving prescription of glasses and offer them the best possible frames and best possible ophthalmic lenses, and we dispense the glasses. And I have seen many, very few Optoms offer contact lenses. When I say contact lenses, in general, so only, most of them, when the patient asks for contact lenses, yes, we do have soft lenses, we have this, and we end up dispensing single vision lenses. But how can we make a difference in our practice? This is what we should look forward to. In my opinion, there are many specialties an Optom can add in his practice. But however, below are few of the many options an Optom can offer to high number of patients. So one is soft lens, the second is rigid gas permeable lens, third is scleral lens, fourth is orthokeratology. When I say orthokeratology, I say, it's myopia correction and myopia management, low vision aids and vision therapy. So these are the areas which are very important for all of us to add in our practice, because these are the places where, many people lack the skills or the education.